morning, guys, and welcome to day 4. Beautiful. Had a good night. Never rained after all, which is good. It looked threatening all evening and even into the nighttime. Had some sprinkles, but nothing opened up, so that was good. That was a bonus there. So anyways, gonna do the morning routine, drink some coffee, and just shake off some of the aches and pains of the hike yesterday, and just enjoy it, man. It's a beautiful morning. Thumbs up, coffee time. All right, guys, got a hot cup of coffee ready to take in. Oh, that's good stuff. Cheers, man. We're actually considering doing a layover day and just hutching out tomorrow 16 miles, but in the plans is we're gonna go and bag a 13er today, and that's gonna be a cool experience out here in the Pecos wilderness. All right, guys, so I just wanna kind of show you a little recap of what we've done here. So we started here at the Panchuela campground, and we came up this way, and here at this trail junction, we camped first night. So the next day we woke up and just trekked all the way up to Pecos Lake, which is right there. Next day we got up, hiked across Trail Riders Wall, and right in this area right there is where we got to see Bighorn sheep run literally right in front of us. Very cool. So then we took off down this trail, and we're staying right here at this trail junction just before Truchas Lakes. Plan is we're gonna try to head up and bag North Truchas Peak, which is 13,024 feet. So we are on our hike up to North Truchas Peak. Here's a look at the kind of like the northeast end of the lake up here, but our destination is up there. It is so cool. You can hear the bighorn sheep out there just talking to each other. That is just an incredible sound. So we have hit a trail junction, and we're going to be taking right there the Real Camado Trail up to North Truchas Peak. Here's just another sign talking about view bighorn sheep from a distance. There's a part that says salt is provided to reduce contact with humans. I don't know exactly what that means, other than they're probably dropping salt up here so that way
don't let the
bighorn sheep
let the bighorn lick on your feet.
Yeah, pretty much that's what that's saying. Laying down right there. All right. Oh, that is the coolest thing. There's one up there, and there's a baby feeding on mama. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. That is awesome, guys. That is such a cool experience to see nursing. How cool is that? I apologize for the shaky hand, but we're trying to get up that way. And this guy, who is literally not even 30 feet in front of me, is kind of on the trail system. Do apologize, sheep, but I also have a destination. And I do not mean to frighten you guys, but I enjoy seeing you guys. Beautiful. Incredible. Here's the baby sheep and mama. And they are losing their winter coats still. Still cold up here. Got down to about 40 degrees last night. You guys are okay? Incredible, guys. Pecos Wilderness. So here's another look over the Pecos River Valley here. And it is awesome. Such lush and vast country. You got Upper Truchas Lake right there, Truchas Lake right there, and just a bunch of little high country ponds that are out and about. That's all 12,000 feet down there. Oh, it is beautiful, guys. Awesome. Incredible. Sheep are calling, and such an amazing sound. So about halfway's up to a summit above us, started to feel a little vertigo, a little lightheaded, and I decided to go ahead and call it. So I'm not disappointed. I climbed to about 12,300 feet, had a phenomenal view, and I just got to play it safe. Had my little boy at home, my wife, and don't want to get real dizzy and slip on this rocky stuff, and it's just steep. It's a 45-degree angle, if not a little steeper, so you're gonna tumble on rocks for a long way. So I'm not disappointed. I had a great time, had a great view, and I'm happy to come as far as I have. So here's another look around the basin out here. I'm gonna give you a full 360-degree view of what I see, and it is so incredible, mind-blowing. Around. Looks like we're going to get some rain today. Of course, we've been saying that for the last few days and nothing's happened. So we'll see what happens today. There it is, a full 360
So
degrees.
after 3 days of talking about rain and wondering what's going on with rainstorms, today appears to be more promising than the other few days that we've just been waiting and talking, because right now it's just about 12:30 in the afternoon, and it is already sprinkling on us. We got thunder from directly above us, and yeah, I think we're gonna definitely have some rain today. In fact, that peak up there is starting to get cloud covered. So after many days of saying we're gonna get some rain, it's on today, and we're underneath the shelter here. But we also got hail. I think it's about 57 degrees right now.
It's been about an hour of non-stop rain. Out there, my tent is just dripping water. Wow, hopefully we're staying dry tonight. On day 4, the rain decided to come in. Finally came out of the shelter, and a good hot cup of coffee sounds good right now. And also, we are welcoming a beautiful hot fire. Warms up the body, and this coffee is going to do the same thing, man. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Coffee.
Some coffee. Cheers. Oh, it's hot. That's good, dude.
Good.
Heck yeah. Doing it upright, guys. Got chili. I can see your breath still, dude.
Yeah.
All right, guys. dinner time at night 4 of our backpacking trip. And for dinner tonight, I am having what is called bear burrito, but it's basically a refried bean burrito mix with rice and corn in there. And in addition, I chopped up some elk sausage and threw on some Truchas Peak hot sauce. I know that doesn't look very appetizing right there, but trust me, it is very appetizing. And I recommend bear burrito from the Mary Jane's Farms Organic freeze-dried meal. So very good. Good night, guys. This is the end of day 4. Tomorrow we wake up and head out. Got about a 14-mile hike. So I'm gonna head in early. It's only about 8:30, 9 o'clock, just to have a good night's rest for the journey out. So good night.